Okay, I'm going to show you guys the tent celebration if I can get myself across the street without dying. See if I can make it. Here we go. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Trees to my left, to my right. But it's gonna get crazy here in a second. Everybody's getting ready for Tet Holiday. Everybody got their cherry blossoms to the right. And it is just a traffic mess. Jam. Look at this mess. It's just, everybody's just selling trees. Kumquat trees. You got flowers over here. This is where I was selling those fireworks from. I saw a guy crash yesterday. He's getting a tree. Come on, dude, go. That's how you do it. Alright, we're behind this propane freaking death trap here. I think that's it. See, decorations, the whole strip, as far as you go. It gets even crazier. These right here are kumquat trees. I want to get one. The bigger, the more wealthier you are. And these are cherry blossoms, I believe. See to the left, they got little stands here. Again, this is the Red River. China's over there. Let's see where I'm at. So this is where I was yesterday to sell the fireworks. So yeah. This is where I was selling the fireworks at the old Cintrang. People just sell for the whole strip. And you got these kumquat trees here. So let's go a little bit further, shall we? Let's see if we can make it. About time. Cherry blossom. Look at this one. This one's cool. Yeah, the Buddhas. If you can see those. Won't let me zoom in. But yeah, you just got different stands of different things. And then over here, you got the Aquaman. You got Arthur Curry, the Aquaman. So yeah, so it's right before Tet. We'll go a little bit further. So this is Tet 2023, right? Here we go. I'll show you some of the stuff they sell. Yeah, you can see it's just beautiful stuff. Very beautiful. Beautiful faces. Beautiful faces. Perfumes, it looks like over there. Right? Let me push this thing. I'm actually pushing my bike. Flowers. And traffic is crazy. So you can just go in here and people take pictures. So what they do is they get their traditional the girls will get their traditional Vietnamese like gowns on, and they'll take photo shops here during the night and day. Yeah, over there they got some shoes, some kicks they're selling. So let's see if we get a little bit more footage. Right there is where you get some pho. So if you're hungry for breakfast, you go to the pho. Let's see if I can turn around and look down. And here, you got them Chinese Nikes probably. Who knows? Oh, they actually got some black ones. They're not bad, that's too bad. Yeah, they got all kinds of cool stuff. Alright, I'm gonna take you to the main square and show you the main square. Check out these girls. Yeah, never mind, they're not in their gowns. I thought they were in their traditional Vietnamese. More kumquat trees to my right. Cherry blossoms to the left. These are cool. I'm not sure what these are, but they're beautiful. All kinds of cool wooden stuff here. So you can see on tech, you get all kinds of cool shit. Pardon my language. They get all these really cool wooden figurines. Hello, Zichao. Happy New Year! I'm just showing my friends